So you want to build a WordPress site, but you're not ready to spend the money to buy the domain and the hosting service. So you want to get a little practice in. Well, let me show you how you can install WordPress locally and for free. Stay tuned. Alright, now the first thing we want to do is open up a browser and navigate to ServerPress.com. We want to click download, and of course there's a pay version, but we're going to settle for the free version. It's limited, but it'll do what we need it to do. Now you got a form that you need to fill out. Put your company name, first name, last name, email address. If you choose, put a phone number in and answer how you found out about them. Agree to the terms, then click free download. Select the version for Windows or Mac. I would stick with the latest version, not the release candidate, and select open. It will download a zip file. And the zip file you want to extract, and then you want to open the application, extract all, hit extract. Extract it to the same folder that you put the zip file in. And then what you're going to be left with is an application to install. Double click on that. You can run as administrator so you don't run into any problems. And then you want to accept the agreement with desktop server. Start a new desktop installation. Click OK. And click finish to finish the installation. Now you want to go to your C drive or your root drive and search for the folder Zamplight, and within that folder you'll see the icon for desktop server. Pin it to your taskbar, make it easier to find, get started. Clear your desktop so that you have someplace to work, and double click on the icon. Yes, you want to restart the desktop server with privileges if you've had it before. If it's new, you're going to want to start it for the first time. Hit next. Yes, start the Apache and MySQL services. Now you want to create a new development website. Hit next. Give your site a name. Now this is local, so it's going to end with .dev.cc. So whatever name, .dev.cc. Once you've created the name, you can see where it's being stored, and then hit create. And there you are, the link to your new development environment. You want to click on that to open it up, and it's going to ask you to select a language, hit continue, give it a site title. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I should have just come up with something a lot simpler than that, but wanted to make a point. Select a username. Your first name would be sufficient, and create a password. Keep it simple because you don't want to have to be hunting around for your password when you're trying to do work and getting used to this new environment. Confirm, give them an email address, and select the Install WordPress button at the bottom. Yeah, save the password to make it easier for you. Log in. put that same username and password you just created. And I would select remember me just so that you can just go right in. This is a local environment, so security is not exactly of paramount importance. And this is your WordPress dashboard. Click visit site so that you can see what theme is being used. And there you are. You see the name of your website that you created, and we're done. So if you like what you've seen and you learned something, got some value, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon.